India and Russia are at the last stage of finalizing a mega defense deal. Reports note that the deal could be well more than a whopping $4 billion, which will take India's air defense capabilities to a whole new level. And what is India buying from Russia? A radar system that will place India among a select few nations of the world. The radar system we are talking about is a Voronezh, a highly sophisticated and state-of-the-art radar system having a range of around 8,000 kilometers. Yes, 8,000 kilometers. It means that India will be aware of any aircraft, drone or missile that gets airborne in this radius, covering entire China, South, East and West Asia, including countries like Syria and Turkey. So far, only Russia, China and the United States have radar systems in their arsenals with a range of operational exceeding 5,000 kilometers. The most significant part of this multi-billion deal is that 60% of the radar system will be manufactured in India by Indian companies. This is in line with the government's Make in India initiative and will give a considerable boost to India's defense manufacturing ecosystem. I'm not talking about the radar. It is designed in such a way that it will be capable of detecting and tracking threats, including ballistic missiles, fighter jets, and intercontinental ballistic missiles, also known as ICBMs. Russia claims that the system can track 500 objects simultaneously and can even detect stealth aircraft and deliver detailed data on ICBMs as well as near-Earth objects in space. Once acquired, the radar will give India the capability to closely monitor any Chinese misadventure in the strategic Indian Ocean region, including the South China Sea and the Strait of Malacca. Russia had already operationalized the first Voronezh radar in the year 2009. It means the system is a time and tested platform. Now let us understand how this radar will work. First, it will collect data, that is target trajectory, speed and classification of an object. It will then send this data into a central processing hub. The central system will then fuse the information with data from other sources such as radars, satellites and sensors to create a real-time consolidated picture of a particular region. Apart from this, in the current network-centric warfare, the radar is likely to fit seamlessly with India's other layered air and missile defense system, including the Russian origin S-400. Experts believe that the radar system will enhance the S-400's detection range over 10 times. The negotiations between Indian and Russian officials regarding the deal have been going on for a while. Last month, a team from Almaz Antey, the manufacturer of this radar system, visited India to interact with the offset partners that will be involved in the project. The project, aside from significantly bolstering India's defense capabilities, is expected to generate substantial employment across the country with over 50 Indian companies involved. The government plans to deploy this system in Karnataka's Chitradurg district. It is important to note that Chitradurg already hosts several of India's secret aerospace facilities that remain hidden from the general public. This is why India is planning to deploy Voronezh in Chitradurg to maintain secrecy as well as to keep an eye on China's activities in the Indian Ocean region. Once acquired, the radar will greatly enhance India's threat detection and surveillance capabilities across Asia and the Indian Ocean region, bolstering its air defense infrastructure to address regional and global challenges.